Welcome to this presentation on coverage analysis of intelligent reflecting surface systems in relief fading. This research was conducted by P. Sudharsan et al. And published in 1st January 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Multipath fading is a significant factor affecting wireless network performance. While existing methods address this through multiple antennas and OFDM, Intelligent Reflecting Surfaces IRSS offer a novel approach by directly manipulating the fading environment. IRS adjust phase shifts of reflecting elements to constructively combine signals at the user equipment UE without requiring external power or signal processing. The system model considers a downlink scenario with an IRS comprising n elements. Perfect channel quality information is assumed for phase shift computation. The channels from the base station BS to the IRS elements, IRS to the UE, and the direct BS-UE link are modeled as experiencing independent Rayleigh fading. Closed-form expressions for coverage probability are derived by analyzing the sum of the cascade BS-IRS-UE channel and the direct BS-UE channel. Simulations confirm that the derived theoretical expressions for coverage probability are accurate. Coverage increases with an increasing number of IRS elements n. The coverage probability is positively correlated with the scaling parameter of the BS-UE channel sigma RBU, meaning a stronger direct link improves coverage. Conversely, a higher number of IRS elements can compensate for a weaker BS-UE link. The inclusion of both the BS-IRS-UE and BS-UE links is crucial for accurate coverage analysis in IRS systems. The derived closed-form expressions provide valuable insights into the system's performance. The results highlight the significant role of the number of IRS elements n in enhancing coverage, particularly in compensating for adverse channel conditions or increasing distances. This paper successfully derived a closed-form expression for coverage probability in an IRS-aided Rayleigh fading system, considering both the direct BS-UE link and the cascaded BS-IRS-UE link. This expression enabled the derivation of a more accurate bound for the IRS coverage range. The analysis was extended to correlated fading channels, demonstrating that increased correlation enhances coverage and coverage range.